Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today we're unboxing Fuggler Alley Cat's StinkFace. Back to the box. Let's get him out. Check him out. Oh my goodness, look at his mustache. Isn't that adorable? Where's his teeth hiding at? There they are. Let's check the back out. He reminds me of Garfield. From the first time I've ever seen this one, I was like, that looks like Garfield with a white mustache. He's adorable though. I love him. Tell me what you guys think of him in the comments and what you think of the alley cat Fugglers in general. And please like this video, share this video, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.